Yes, I am late. Yes, this video is going to suck. Yes, there is a person sleeping on that bed behind me. And yes, that is my new intro. And if you don't like it, make me a new one. It's Wednesday. This is my friend Karen. She lives upstairs on the 7th floor.
I live here.
But she pretty much lives here. For all you that don't know her, she's new to Spog, so you should add her because she needs friends.
I have none.
She's a loner. And all she really has is me and Damien, and we both know her in real life, so what fun is that? She loves playing Moltres. You guys should get on that. Moltres playing. Anyway. If you want to find her, she's Care Bear 213. I'll put the name at the bottom right here. Alright. So she's in my video because I feel like making her be in my video. Tell us a little about yourself.
I like long walks on the beach and pina coladas and getting caught in the rain.
Alright!
Sums me up in a nutshell.
Okay, so I'm sorry this video is late. I've been doing I've been doing nothing tonight. I have this assignment due that I'm gonna be up all night. It's worth 10% of my mark, and I've got like a quarter of it done.
A quarter.
Anyway.
Like 5 lines. Anyway.
No, it's all right here. I just have to write it up. Right. And do part 3.
And do part 3, 4, 5.
Anyway, I've been spending a lot of time figuring out how I'm gonna get to Australia and how the hell I'm gonna save the money. Because it's less than 12 months away, and I have to save like $2,000. But Damien and HONK have to save more, so I shouldn't really be complaining, though I'm the worst saver on the face of the earth. Anyway, so I gotta stop eating out and gotta stop buying junk food.
But I was like, we should get brownies because I really want brownies. We both really want brownies. And she's like, wait, I gotta save my money. Good call, Chelsea. Good one.
I can't buy brownies. Anyway,
I really want them.
Yeah. So yeah, we're going to Australia to go see Blurry and Des and Catho, which will be fun. It will be more fun to be with Incog. And I really want to say his real name, and I always say his real name by accident because I'm ass. But oh no, I have to edit that part too. I'm not allowed to say ass.
It's you too.
That's true. Anyway,
you're not gonna edit any of this, are you?
Yeah, I will, because I can't say his name. So the part where I did say his name, I have to edit it. Yes, I did. I have to edit it so that it doesn't say his name. It says his screen name because he doesn't like everybody to know his name.
Why?
Because he's awesome.
Alright.
I love you, Incog. You're my other mother's slightly erotic son.
Another from another mother. What?
I don't really know what I just
what,
said.
Chelsea?
Anyway, so
we're gonna watch some one-on-one.
One-on-one.
And half and half.
Half and half. Best shows on the face of the earth. And you all should search them up and watch them. Anyway, that's it. Wednesday's over. See you next week. Make me a new intro, alright? Stop complaining. I'm gonna try. Oh no, I can't!